Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to unlock your phone's bootloader with just one simple command. It's quick, easy, and gets you ready to explore custom ROMs and root your device. So, let's dive in. First, we need to enable developer options on the phone. So, let's head into Settings and scroll down to About Device. Now select Version. Here, we'll tap on the version option 7 times to unlock developer mode. You'll see a little message saying you are now a developer. Now that developer options are enabled, let's go back, select System and Updates, and you'll find developer options here. Once inside, we're going to enable OEM unlocking and also toggle on USB debugging. These two options are crucial for unlocking the bootloader. Now, we're all set with the settings. Let's power off the phone. To enter Fastboot Mode, hold down the volume down button and power button together. Now, I'm going to connect the phone to my PC. Once we're in Fastboot, you'll notice the phone is still locked. I've linked the USB drivers and platform tools in the description, so make sure you have those installed. Once you've got them, just unzip the files and you're ready to go. Now let's go to PC. Alright, on the PC, navigate to the Platform Tools folder, and in the File Explorer bar, type CMD to open the command prompt right inside the folder. This makes things super easy. Here's where the magic happens. All you need is one simple command, Fastboot Flashing Unlock. Once you hit enter, the bootloader unlock process starts on the phone. Now, back on the phone. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Unlock Bootloader option, and press the power button to select it. And that's it. The device is unlocked. As you can see, the bootloader is now unlocked successfully. Super easy, right? With just one command, you're now free to explore custom ROMs, root your device, and personalize it however you want. So, that's how you unlock the bootloader in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more guides and tips. Now that your device is unlocked, it's ready for some serious customization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.